Hello, everybody. Welcome back. All right, today I just want to answer a question. Is the ABS wheel speed sensor important, right? In particular, a 2010 Volkswagen Mark 6 Golf GTI lah. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but for me, usually I couldn't care less about this blooming thing lah. All right, usually if the light came on, the ABS light warning light indicator, right, it came on and all, I would just ignore it until my next visit to the workshop lah. Usually for a service or something. So because we are still used to it already, right? The light came on also, we will just ignore it lah. So until one day, right? Finally, when I need to emergency brake to avoid a collision, right? So this happened lah. Bam. So what happened was I was actually trying to avoid a collision, and then I slammed on the brake, and then the car goes straight on lah. Because at that time, unfortunately, the ABS wasn't working lah. So this crash could very likely only lah, right? Not 100%. Be avoided lah if the ABS wheel speed sensor is still working. All right, but unfortunately at that time it wasn't working lah. So most likely it's gone. I mean, it's just most likely you will avoid that accident. But who knows, right? So without the ABS, what else? The car will just go straight on lah, right? If you slam on the brake, even you turn the steering left, right, it doesn't have any effect lah. Okay, so to answer the question, right, is definitely is yes lah. The ABS wheel speed sensor is important, right? And of course, it's not that expensive to get it changed, right? It's only about what 50, 60 ringgit. I mean 60, 70 ringgit lah. I think now the price now, right? Per piece here in Malaysia lah is about 60, 70 ringgit lah. So we've actually that okay, this is the OEM part, right? We are not talking about OEM part. We're not talking about original. Original, I think it's about 300 over bucks per piece lah, which is crazy lah. So we go for OEM lah, right? Much cheaper, and then it serves the same function only lah. So with that small price, right, could have saved you thousands in damage and inconvenience lah, right? In it, if you avoid, I mean, you of course you have insurance and all, but of course the inconvenience, right, that causes you no car for few months, for 1 or 2 months, and then of course you have to pay for saman, you have to then the car will not be the same ever again lah. Once you already accident, right, for sure there's some things lah will be loosened or something one lah, for sure one lah, they won't be the same lah. All right, so you get it changed, right? It's not that expensive, and then for that small amount of price you pay, you get to save you lah from thousands in damage, right? Okay, and then also it's a Golf GTI, right? You are going to drive fast, and also you're going to drive like an idiot, right? So you need all available tech, right, to assist you on your crazy driving style, right? So you is change. I get it changed now, right? I mean, if you have this problem, why not just get it changed? My suggestion is just get it changed. All right, I think that's all. I just want to share with you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.